I took this video last November 13, 2023, and this is the first day to my new home in Taiwan. So this is the apartment, and I'm in the toilet or the bathroom right now. I was just trying to make sure that everything is working. The first time I was trying to sink, it doesn't work, but yes, I know how to make it work now. And there's a heater, and there's some rack for clothes, and that's the common kitchen. I'm going to show you later on. And that's the door. Make sure to turn off the light. And then there's a long table, and that's a window. And then there's a brand new closet. I think it's really new because it's clean and it smells new. And yeah, this is the working table. It's very useful. And another drawer where I put my shoes in. And there are some cables where I connected my computer wired to this internet cable or Ethernet cable, which is good. There's a very big, I think it's queen size bed. And that's all. There's an AC, even though it's really cold in here, so I barely use it. So this is the lobby area where we, go in and out. And that's the landlord's or the owner's mini kitchen or mini living room. And there's a lift, which is really good. It helps a lot for us. If there's no lift, it would be so, it would make our life so hard. So there are 5 floors here, and the 5th floor there is the laundry room where we can wash for free, but we need to, buy our own detergents and stuff like that. And by the way, I'm paying 5,000 NTD per month, and that includes everything: the laundry room, the kitchen, the Wi-Fi, water, and electricity. So it's all in one. I just need to buy my own food and, my own personal stuff to live. So here, this is the laundry room. It's not big, it's not small. It's enough for everyone that is renting here. And mostly, you know, here are teachers from different schools, and 2 of them, I was able to meet them. I met them for like, I don't know, days ago, and they speak English, enough to communicate to each other. Well, let's go to 4th floor, where my room is, and that's my room, and this is the kitchen area. There we go, and we can use all the stuff in here. I can use that. That's the first time I saw this kind of pot. It's very rare for me. And I think I'm not sure what's that. An air fryer, I think. That's not mine, so I don't think I can use that. I don't want to break anyone's, stuff. That's my thing. And those are some other, people things. Yes, and I can actually use the electric stove, which is really good. I can cook anything I want. Good. And there's a big fridge here. I rarely use it. I don't usually go buy something or crazy, food, because I don't want to stuck it in the fridge. So yeah, that's my recess from the night market I got. So that's all. So I'm going back to my room now, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.